It's a 2021 Audi Q7. Intelligent design coupled with legendary capability make this Q7 a serious performer that elevates luxury to a whole new level. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: intercooled turbo V6 engine, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the glove box, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, autonomous cruise control, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone climate control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and automatic GPS-linked transmission. When you drive an Audi, the design and performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on 1141 Cobb Parkway Southeast in Marietta, Georgia.